long time.
It's been a while. Last time she was washed, you were with me, Noah.
Yeah.
I picked you up. Okay, there's a long line, so be patient, okay?
Okay. There's a line. There, bud.
Now, they told me that we need to leave our windows down. Casey's, it's a new rule. Did you take a bath today?
Yeah.
Okay, no, what? Yes or no? Don't lie to me.
Yeah.
If you didn't, say no, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
You didn't take a bath?
No.
How come?
How come?
How come?
How come, Sparky boy?
No, Sparky butt.
Sparky butt.
Do you like staying with Joe and Todd?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite?
The Todd.
Okay, then you can get out right now. Get out.
Mm-mm.
Yes, you just said that Todd was your favorite. Does Todd take you to Casey's with the brushes?
Mm-hmm.
No, he takes you to club. Who takes you to Casey's with the brushes?
Effie.
But who does? Who's driving?
Jill.
Yeah, so who's your favorite?
What's the favorite?
Who's your favorite, Todd or Jill?
Jill.
Smart boy.
Smart boy.
Sparky butt.
Now, Effie's been washed here for a long time.
Long time. She stinks. Casey's needs to do something about their parking. I'm not real smart.
That was the menu back there. Do you like doing each street?
I do. I like the mini.
Do you like doing each street address so we get done, Casey?
Oh no, I'm done with Eat Street. I'm going to go home, pick up Todd. Hey, what's going on, people? Just get in there. Surprise, there's not any friends.
Surprise, share your cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger, but no, leave it down. Casey said to leave it down on your side. Fine.
Fine.
I'll just roll it down when it starts. Do you know that guy right there?
Yeah.
What's his name?
I'm Chasey.
I thought it was Jason.
Jason.
Hi, how are you?
What kind of washing it for you?
The works. You're gonna pay, aren't you, Noah?
In a pay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right. You don't pay supply. Thank
Have a
you
good
so
day.
much. You too.
Thank you. That's what he said. Car in neutral for the brake. Enjoy your car wash.
Where are you reading that at? Where are you reading that at? Where does it say enjoy your car wash? I don't see that. Still think I could have gone to club, but that's alright.
Yeah, yes, I like Club One better.
Okay, you told me you like Casey's better.
I like Casey's. Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
It's a color, bubbles and bluish.
Do you think they'll turn purple?
Yeah, we're gonna do the, foamy wax. No, what? I fish been washed at Casey's for a long time.
It's been a long time, Noah. You were with me the last time she got washed at Casey's. She likes it. Sometime I'm gonna, not today, but sometime I'm gonna go and have it vacuumed out and stuff. But not today.
There were, when you hadn't vacuumed Jill's car
Yeah, but not
at
today.
Casey's with the brushes.
Yeah, but not today. Oh, that scares me, Noah. I don't like that. Do you like that?
Yeah!
I don't. What's that?
It's a colored soap
Is that-
or bluish.
Is that the brushes right there, though?
Yeah!
There's the brushes. There's the colored soap! Okay, roll your window down.
No!
Get it.
No! There's the purple, bluish. shall we go and take some videos?
No. Your mom's gonna be picking you up.
Your mom's gonna pick you up and before too long.